were 17, barefoot in spring. I was too bright for a man like me. I was older, careful with words, but you laughed like light and shook my world. I felt the pull, I turned away. You waved goodbye, I hoped you'd stay, but I waited like the rain, quiet, distant, holding pain. Knew that love ain't right unless it's time, so I let you go and I drew that line. But fate don't listen to what we planned. Now you're here with your grown-up hands, and I love you more than I ever did then. I waited like the rain, and you came again. Years rolled on like midnight roads. I saw your name, then let it go. But tonight you're here, this same old town, same soft voice, but you slow me down. You're not a girl now, you're fire and grace. My heart remembers your face, 'cause I waited like the rain, quiet, distant, holding pain. Knew that love don't bloom unless it turns, so I let the pages of time get turned. But you walked in like a summer wind, and this time I ain't letting it in. I'll say it now, I'll say it again. I waited like the rain, you came again. Damn long till I heard your name in that old song. So I waited like the rain, with open arms and no complaint. I knew if we were real we'd find our place. And now you're here with tears on your face. You say I always loved you too. Now that we're older, the truth feels new. We'll build a life that never bends. I waited like the rain, and you came again. Yeah, I waited like the rain, and now I'm falling again.